Hazinem Torpil Tarbiyalash Markazi hammamizning xazinasi.
İnternet tor orqali uyda o'tirib bu darslarimizga qo'shila olasiz. Turk tili, ingliz tili, arab tili, xitoy tili, german tili, uyg'ur tili, kompyuter sistemi kodlash darsi. Turkiya, Kıbrıs va chet ellardagi universitetlarda o'qishni xohlamsiz? Qiynamsiz beshingizni qottirmay, biz bilan aloqalashing.
Abone olmayı ve like atmayı
ve bildirimleri açmayı unutmayın.
Family, aile, seesaw, zingirtaktak, slide, sıyrılgıç, net, varta, swing, ilengüç, tree, daraxt, try denemek, good try, yaxshi sınak, iyi deneme, in içide, on üstü, under, asti, pull, kölçek, armbands, kuşuz, balonu, frisbee, çartaksa, climbing frame, camsız cazisi, sofa, everyone, köpçülük, everyday, her günü, funny, eğlenceli, mom, mother, apa, dad, father, dada, sister, kız kıyırındaş, brother, oğul kıyırındaş, cousin, nörtükan, grandma, çoğapa, grandpa, çoğdada, aunt, hamma, uncle, tağa, cousin, nörtükan, van, yük maşinesi, window derize, box, yeşik, windy, şamallık, weather, havarayı, hava durumu, throws, a ball, jump, saklash, run, yürüyüş, walk, yürümek, fly, uçmak, talk, paranlaşış, be careful, dikkat kılın, calm down, pesky, çüş, dress, giyim, socks, paypak, t-shirt, kalçalık marka, trousers, işten, shorts, işten, basket, sweat, shoes, ayak, coat, çapan, hat, şlapa, cardigan, yipinça, tracksuit, tanterbiye kimi, put on, kiyiş, take off, siliş, nice, yaxshi, kitchen, aşxana, living room, mehmanxana, dining room, tamaq yiyish uyi, bedroom, yatak uyi, bathroom, muncha, garden, güllük, certificate, takdirname, surprise, hoş haber, upstairs, üstünki qavat, downstairs, astınki qavat, house, öy, flat, qavat, front door, eshik oldi, ship, qo'y, table, üstel, chair, o'rindiq, balkon, lunchbox, tomoq qutisi, sandwich, drink, içimlik, drinks, içimlikler, banan, bisküvit, pechene, prənik, şiir, hem beherlemek, paylaşmak, tomato, pomidor, pear, nashput, grapes, üzüm, pineapple, ananas, cherries, glass, çiçek.
Family, seesaw, slide, net, swing, tree, try, good try, in, on, under, pull, armbands, frisbee, climbing frame, sofa, everyone, every day, funny, mum, mother, dad, father, sister, brother, cousin, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, cousin, van, window, box, windy, weather, throws a ball, jump, run, walk, fly, talk, be careful, come down, dress, socks, t-shirt, trousers, shorts, basket, shoes, coat, hat, cardigan, tracksuit, put on, take off, nice, kitchen, living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, garden, certificate, surprise, upstairs, downstairs, house, flat, front door, sheep, table, chair, balcony, lunchbox, sandwich, drinks, banana, biscuit, share, tomato, pear, grapes, pineapple, cherries, chick,